Hello, today I would like to show you the most iconic look of the Citizen band radio operator base station. And you cannot have a base station without a desk microphone. And in the 80s, in the 90s, they were extremely very popular. And I believe to those days, and older people who are still working on the CB, and I'm really talking about old people who have a base station back then, and nowadays after work they are sitting in front of their radio and talking to their local friends, which is extremely cute. They are still using these devices. Why? That's because it's have a very important thing to do, because on the AM and on SSB the modulation is like a key. You can be read at 0S and still you can be read like 5x5, which is absolutely great. You can go and punch through a noise, and this is a great thing. You can adjust on this unit you can adjust the tone, so you can make your voice be a little bit more radio friendly. What is also interesting, the PTT have a log, because as I told you, back then it was mostly used for talking about a random thing, and people like to have free hands. So you can log the PTT and you can get a cup of tea and you can talk how your day was. Very, very cute if we compare to modern times, where I do program on radio's log that after 1 minute radio have to stop transmitting if someone gets overexcited or if pressed by accident PTT. Here was completely different. You've got a PTT log, so you can have a hands-free conversation. And in general, people were very happy to sound like on the radio and like a broadcast radio. And it was really cool. But as I told you, the modulation was a key on the AM and the SSB. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Everything made of metal. All base is metal. On the bottom we've got a 9-volt battery that's providing amplification, and for the microphone the bias voltage. There are also like Sadella, EchoMaster, very popular one, that's got a echo built in, but those devices also contain a relay. And you might ask yourself a very good question: why do you need a... Let me show you something. Why do you need a relay on device like this with the echo? Here we've got the echo. And the answer is really simple, because when you finish your sentence, then you would like this echo to be transmitted also. So the relay is making sure that when you unpress the PTT, it's going to lag that 1 second or a half second and transmit that echo nicely finish. And they were good and nice days. For today, experiment is going to be taking a look how does it sound. I hook it up to my audio interface, and we can try to make a small experiment and try to transmit via this unit. So I'm going to press the PTT and I'm going to switch audio to this microphone. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. You can hear me from this unit. You have to excuse me if the pods are going to be making a noise. As you can hear, 1 2 3 4 5. My interface is very happy. I can see the green light. We are not clipping. We can change the tone. Let's make 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Testing. So with a high cut, low pass cut, we can have a much more punchier sound, but we can sound a little bit bassy. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. That's definitely more bassy, so you can adjust. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check. 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Radio check. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Testing 1 2 3 4 5. Testing the microphone. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how it looks like. Sorry for the cracking sound, but this is a very old device, so it can make a sound. I'm not going to replace the pods right now. I just wanted to see how it sounds after many years. So that's how you use your Citizen Band radio where you were radio operator in the 90s or in the 80s. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.